Hey you! Yes, you! The one scrolling through your phone, avoiding that thing you know you should be doing. Don't worry, I'm not here to judge. I'm here to help you stop procrastinating and start doing. Because let's be real, we've all been there. Staring at a blank screen, a messy room, or a to-do list that feels like it's mocking us. Why is it so hard to just start? Well, grab a snack, sit back, and let's figure this out together. Okay, first things first. Let's acknowledge the struggle. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just stuck in what I like to call the motivation black hole. You know that place where you want to do the thing, but your brain's like, nah, let's watch one more cat video instead. Sound familiar? Yeah, thought so. But here's the thing. Motivation isn't magic. It's not something you wait around for like a pizza delivery. It's something you create, and I'm going to show you how. Here's a simple 3-step framework to hack your brain and get stuff done. Step 1. The 2-minute rule. If a task feels overwhelming, just commit to doing it for 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes. Why? Because starting is the hardest part. Once you're in motion, it's way easier to keep going. It's like pushing a car. It takes a lot of effort to get it moving, but once it's rolling, you're golden. Step 2. Break it down. Big tasks are scary, like write a book or get in shape. Those sound impossible, right? But here's the trick. Chop them into tiny bite-sized pieces. Instead of write a book, start with write 1 sentence. Instead of get in shape, start with do 1 push-up. Small wins build momentum, and momentum builds motivation. Step 3. Celebrate the tiny wins. Here's where most people mess up. They wait until they finish the whole thing to feel proud. Nope. Celebrate every little step. Don't wait for the perfect time. Spoiler alert. The perfect time doesn't exist, so go do it right now. Motivation isn't about feeling ready. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. And the more you show up, the easier it gets. Hit that like button if this helped, and drop a comment telling me what you're going to tackle with your 2-minute rule. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you even doing? Let's make this a habit together. Remember, you've got this. Now go out there and show that to-do list who's boss.